Now, listen to me. Now, listen to your heart. Nobody wishes to go off like the snuff of a candle. You really wish to drive away your time, or you don't wish to do so. Of course, you take care of your time as much as you can do. Time is one of assets you have. Or I need to tell, time is the most important matter in your life. What is the best way for you to realize yourself? Are you dreaming of something unreal? Or in the presence of reality, you have your courage to fight against any of difficult matters. Do not escape from anything. To face any of difficulties is a must. To face any of difficulties shall be the one you really need, inevitably you experience. As for you to realize your ideal, that all the time you experience, you are here between your ideal and reality you're facing. Then I say, congratulations on facing those two stages. I'd like you to philosophize the reason why you are here between your ideal and reality. Because you wish to be better, you wish to realize your ideal. For those people who wish to realize the ideal all the time, they are facing their reality. To be between them is quite a matter of symbol. How you wish to be better. You don't wish to waste your time. You'd like to realize your ideal no matter what. That's the reason you experience it. So, the dilemma is necessary for you to have your self-realization. If you're here between your ideal and reality, you just call it. You have your dilemma. Then I say once again, it is very nice of you to experience dilemma. Because dilemma is a symbol of yourself. You really wish to realize your ideal no matter what. Listening to Symphony No. 5, composed by Beethoven, is one of the ways for you to receive necessary strength. You need strength to experience pursuing your ideal. Human life is transient. I'd like you to deeply experience the essential time momentarily to deepen and philosophize the importance of transience. Is surely important as for you to go forth by inches. You experience gorgeousness of living through doing so. It goes without saying that You don't have to change yourself like a moth, approaching and retreating from a bright light. I'd like you to keep your identity. Your identity is the one no one can change. I hope you enjoy deepening and substantially experiencing any of moments for the rest of your life. Carpe diem. I'd like you to seize the day. The lecture shall be finished now.